Do you really think we ought to be around here, man? I mean, I heard something about monsters being around here.
All that crap you heard about those monsters being here is just a myth, bro. And even if there are monsters around here, I'd love to take a picture and get the Pulitzer Prize.
Why do I go on these trips with you anyway?
You see this messed up tank, man? I'm telling you, there's monsters here!
Look, bro, if there were monsters here, the whole world would have known about it now, man.
Don't you ever shut up. What was that?
Whoa, okay, like, what was that?
Please.
Colonel Nikolai, we just got a report of 2 American explorers that went missing in the Chernobyl ruins. Doesn't look too good, sir.
Missing, do you say? Is it possible that something survived? We were sure that the mutation was destroyed completely. Nothing could have survived those tank blasts.
Unfortunately, it is possible. The radiation levels are so high, any remains of the monsters could regenerate into more life forms.
In that case, let's assemble a new team of soldiers and go to the Chernobyl remains to investigate. If there are more mutations, we should be the first line of defense.
Alright, boys, this is the mission. We are looking for 2 missing American men who are said to be in this area. We all know this area has a potential enemy threat, and I advise you all to be on full alert. If you see any threatening non-human activity, I advise you all to shoot to kill. Now let's finish this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir!
sir.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Yes,
Yes, Commander! Pay me enough for this shit.
I don't know about the rest of you men, but I find this place absolutely appalling. I mean, not even a bloody
Frickin'
gorilla would
gnarly.
live here. What in the hell is that? Hey, get your asses over here. I found something. Come on.
What is this? Mother
What
of God.
in the hell is
I've never seen
this?
anything
I
like
think
it.
I just lost my
That thing's
lunch.
uglier than my kid.
Colonel Nikolai, what do you make of this?
More mutations must have spawned from the elephant's foot remains. Only God knows what else is around here.
Men, this way. I think I found our 2 guys. Let's up to it. Let's go. Damn. Just look at them. They're in pieces. There is something else out here.
What a bloody mess. Oh my God.
Oh, no. What was that? I don't know what the hell that was, but I think we're about to find out.
Get back, get back!
Squadron XY, get that rocket launcher out here and blast this thing to hell!
Oh, hell no!
You mean to tell me that thing was pregnant?
Holy Mother Russia, look! It's evolving as we speak, right in front of us!
Send in the car with a rocket blaster now! Blast this thing to bits! Just look at that thing. What kind of place is this? This is hell. I'm gonna right smack dab in the middle of it. Whoa! Look out! Great Caesar's ghost! That must be the Big Mama, and I think we just pissed it off. Fire! Fire! No! Oh God, no! Come on, get back in there and finish this thing off! Damn it! Commander, what do we do? We've lost nearly all of our men and all of our weapons. What do we do? Oh, I got one more trick up my sleeve. Initiate the battle tank cruiser now! We're gonna fry this bastard. Stop now! Kill it! Kill it now! Commander, is it over now? Is it? Let's go back to base. We don't need any more surprises.